10 golden rules to follow for beautiful flawless skin. Skin is the biggest organ in human body. It is one kind of a protection for human body. In order to have your skin healthy and beautiful, you need to take good care for it. The skin needs proper care and nourishment to remain firm and elastic and most of all flawless. First of all, what your skin looks like mostly depends on the food you eat. If you regularly have food rich in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals as well as healthy fats on your menu every day, nutrients will nourish and feed your skin to make it healthy. You also need proper amount of protein to make the skin elastic. In one word, healthy diet will be the good way to supply your skin with required nutrients. But besides nutrition, you also need to know how to protect your skin from harmful effects of free radicals, radiation, sun or cold. Choose proper care for your skin that you think will suit you most. Make sure your skin is always protected. 10 rules for beautiful skin. According to dermatologists, there are some easy simple rules that you can follow to get beautiful and flawless skin. 1. Sleep. One of the most important things is that you get proper rest. 7-8 hours of good quality sleep is very important for good-looking skin. This is because the production of collagen speeds up while you sleep, and collagen is very important for good-looking skin. 2. Cold water. Make sure you use cold water to shower and wash your face, because hot water will dry your skin. 3. Pillowcases. Your face is constantly in touch with the pillowcase and it is important to keep them clean. Choose mild detergents and avoid fabric softeners so that you don't cause irritations on your skin. 4. Scrub. You need to know that it is important to remove dead skin cells from your skin, and you have to give your skin regular scrub treatments. You can use natural scrubs or choose one from any cosmetic line you think suits your skin. 5. Protein. Your nutrition needs to be enriched with protein because it is essential for healthy and beautiful skin, as well as hair and nails. 6. Sugar and salt. It is important to limit intake of salt and sugar because they can harm the quality of your skin. They can retain water, increase amount of salt that our body releases through sweat, and cause acne. 7. Don't touch. Don't touch your face if you don't have to. By touching your face too often, you can increase chances of forming blackheads. 8. Cell phone. Your cell phone is a device that transfers tons of bacteria on your face. Clean it regularly with medicinal alcohol so that you can avoid bacteria to cause infections on your face. 9. Water. Proper hydration is key to healthy and beautiful skin. To keep your skin properly hydrated, make sure you have water bottle everywhere with you. 10. Cucumber. Cucumber is a vegetable that is the best friend to your skin. Eat it because it is rich in water and can help hydration, or you can also use it to remove bags under the eyes just by applying circles on your eyes.